Hi guys, my name is Lally. I am a wig maker, a costume maker and a Lady Gaga impersonator, and I am coming to you today with this Lady Gaga Rain on Me wig tutorial. Sorry it's taken me a while to upload this. I actually lost the SD card that I had filmed the footage on, but I found it, so here it is. Don't forget to like, don't forget to comment and subscribe, and hit the notification bell if you want to see more from me, and let's get into it. So first I pin the wig to my wig block and then I brush the wig through, making sure there are no tangles anywhere. And then I take a comb and I make a diagonal parting from the crown to midway across the forehead. And I just clip that out of the way. Then I create another section just across the lace, taking about a ½ inch worth of hair, and I take the first parting and create a triangular section on the other side of the forehead. I clip all of those away and then I create another parting on the side next to the ear. I clip all of those away and start combing the hair backwards. I start taking sections to create my half ponytail, and I do this bit by bit and combing every section upwards as I do it. And I'm using various brushes and combs in this video. You don't have to, it's just that I just picked up what I had next to me, to be honest. Once I have all of my half ponytail sections, I start brushing it back and forming the shape of the half ponytail. You need to make sure that it's really tight and smooth at this point, because there's no going back. You'll have to start again if you get this bit wrong or if there's any bumps. I do take out some of the back sections to hide the tracks by tracing my finger underneath the center of the ponytail, and then I just tie that with a thick hairband. Now I start stacking 4 or 5 other thick hairbands on top of each other on the ponytail to create the elongated lift that she has on her wig. You have to make sure that these are tied really tightly. It actually really hurts your fingers to do it, but it's quite a short process. You can get through it. Now I start brushing the back section more, which will cover the tracks even more, and I brush through the ponytail and I spread it across so that you can't see the tracks. Now take some electrical tape and wrap that around the hairbands of the ponytail until you get to the top. Now take the top section of the ponytail away and start backcombing the rest of the ponytail and spraying with a really stronghold hairspray as you go along. I like to incorporate the sections into each other so that the backcomb isn't so piecey, it kind of becomes one entity. I use Got2b glued hairspray for my wigs. Now smooth out all of the ponytail together and arrange the hair nicely. Make sure not to brush through the tease too much, otherwise you're going to kind of get rid of all of that work that you've just done. And then take down your front sections that you made and brush them through. Then we're going to take a hairdryer and a comb, and we're going to set the hair into the directions we want them to sit. So you just make sure that everything's brushed through and use the hottest setting of your hairdryer to set it in place, and make sure that those partings are nice and sharp. Just blast with a little bit of hairspray to make sure that they stay nice and smooth. And spray the whole wig and do a bit of last minute arranging and floofing. And that is the wig. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it and I hope you learned something from it. Don't forget to tag me on Instagram at LallyBurns in any of your own recreations of this wig. And don't forget to like, don't forget to comment and subscribe. And I hope you have an amazing day. Love you. Mwah!